Imagine your job search could run by itself every morning. In this video, we'll set up the Opera Browser CLI inside OpenClaw to run an automated job search across platforms like LinkedIn, JobNorge, and Fin. Then, we'll schedule it to repeat every morning at 10 AM and set up a WhatsApp message with a clear summary of the results. To set it up, we first need to add the Opera Browser CLI skill to OpenClaw. We start by opening the Opera Browser CLI GitHub repository and downloading the skillmd file. Then, open the OpenClaw skills directory at openclaw/workspace/skills, create a folder called Opera Browser CLI and place the skillmd file inside. If you refresh your skills now, you should see the Opera Browser CLI appear in the list. Activate the skill and the setup is finished. OpenClaw is now ready to control Opera Neon through the Opera Browser CLI. Now that the setup is complete, let's run our task. I ask OpenClaw to use the Opera Browser CLI, open job platforms like LinkedIn, JobNorge and Fin, and search for product manager roles in Oslo, Norway. But it should only look for jobs posted within the past 24 hours. After that, it parses the top 5 results from each platform and extracts the company name, key skills, visible salary range, and the direct job link. We also want a quick summary sent to our phone via WhatsApp. Now, OpenClaw uses Opera Neon and starts looking for jobs, opening new tabs and scanning the platforms we selected. These pages are logged-in pages, and therefore we need to use Neon because it is the most straightforward way. If OpenClaw did not have access to Neon, it would be difficult to utilize the logged-in state of these pages. As soon as the search is complete, it opens Google Drive in Neon and appends the extracted job data to a CSV sheet. When we open the sheet, we can see that OpenClaw found 8 matching open positions. Each row includes the company, requested skills, salary information if available, and a direct link to the listing. And because we also ask for a WhatsApp update, OpenClaw sends a message with a short summary of the results. The message includes how many jobs were found and a direct Google Drive link to the updated sheet. So instead of opening 3 different job boards every morning, the digest arrives directly on your phone. Finally, we schedule the workflow. We ask OpenClaw to run this task automatically every morning at 10 AM. OpenClaw checks the job boards, updates the Google Drive sheet, and sends a summary via WhatsApp without needing to start the search manually. That's the automated daily job search workflow with OpenClaw, Opera Neon, and the Opera Browser CLI. Set it up once, schedule it for every morning, and get fresh job opportunities delivered automatically.